My name is Tim Haeg. I'm an advanced designer and service provider. My company is Watab Incorporated. We've been in business for almost 27 years. We've done over 10,000 jobs in the on-site wastewater industry. We've been using Liberty pumps since we started up in the year construction season 2000. Liberty pumps have been reliable, and our distributor always has the right equipment on hand. We seldom have to wait for the right model pump, and they've made keeping our customers served and satisfied very easy. We use the Liberty 283. That half horse is it's a solid base hitter for us every day. I design around 29 gallons a minute on most of my pressure distribution systems. An omnivore grinder tank in a public park situation, and seeing the material that it was able to grind up and discharge through an 1.25 inch line that was going to a city manhole. Yeah. But to be able to take articles of clothing and the associated hardware, buttons and zippers, and to send it through an 1.25 inch pipe is pretty impressive. What sets the Liberties apart is the price point and the reliability. For an affordable piece of equipment, they outperform similarly priced products. What stood out to me the most about the facility is how clean and professional everything is. Take beyond that, the amount of effort that goes into every step along the way, from the R&D and the engineering and to the manufacturing to the packaging. There's a lot of thought put into everything that's done here. Seeing how the products are made gives me a lot of faith in continuing to use the products moving forward. We design things that we can readily replace. We have to have confidence that we'll be able to go get a like or similar model in 10, 15, 20 years, and I have the fullest confidence because the 283s, the 253s, the 293s that we've been using for years and years are still available.